Is the Binance Kaspa listing right around the corner? Could it be on its way? Are the centralized exchanges starting to scoop up Kas? Is that what's going on? Caspians, you won't want to miss this video. We're gonna dive into it. We have some very interesting things going on, some very strange things happening, and I'm telling you, you won't want to miss it. If you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and also become a Patreon member. You get access to my private Telegram group and also all, low cap gems that I think can do well. So you could get, maybe toss $100 in a gem, get a 3x, 5x, get $500 to $1,000 to scoop up more cash, right? It's definitely going to be worth it. Link to all of that is in the description. And this is from Allen Nation. Binance DeFi wallet has wrapped Kas. Probably nothing. Binance DeFi wallet has wrapped Kaspa. Okay, this is massive stuff. Shout out to Allen Nation for finding this. The Binance DeFi wallet got some wrapped Kaspa. Are they buying wrapped Kaspa for the potential listing? I wouldn't rule it out. That's crazy, guys. And if we take a look at Kaspa's chart right here, we're already ready to push up to that 7-cent level. Oh my goodness, this project is absolutely bullish. Right here, Kaspa is in price discovery, has made new all-time highs. The centralized exchanges could be buying, so the next stop could potentially be 8 cent, 10 cent, 14 cent for Kas, until we see any significant pullbacks, right? I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy out here. Now, obviously, again, don't FOMO, man. Don't FOMO. If you have $500 to $1,000 in $1,000 to invest, and you're looking to get into Kas, buy like $100 here, right? 50 to 100 here. If it pulls back like it did here to 64 cent, 61 cent, you buy more, right? Dollar cost average is the way to go, because you can never time the markets. Don't go all in at all-time highs, man, right? Because corrections do happen. But this is crazy, and this charting is amazing and beautiful to see. And now we have Binance's DeFi wallet holding wrapped Kaspa. Very interesting, very, very interesting. From Miralib, Kas ledger integration is even nearer. Kudelski is on the way. Swiss provider of tailored cybersecurity solutions, services, and incident responses. 70 years plus of innovation, 200 million invested in R&D yearly. Wow. Okay, so after this audit from Kudelski, we could see Kaspa ledger integration come into full play. Ledger application before it could officially be added to Ledger. Now, this is the thing. A lot of the normies use the Ledger wallet still, even with the controversy behind it, so it's still a good thing, still a good sign. A lot of the people, and I'm not saying normies, because if you got a Ledger, you're above the normies. Sorry, Ledger holders, no disrespect. But a lot of people in the space use Ledger and Trezor still, right? They don't use Tangent. So that is still a good sign for Kaspa in general, because guess what? People like convenience. They don't like change as much. So ledger integration for Kaspa means there's more people that will get cash and be like, okay, I can store it on my ledger. That's cool. Let me get some cash, right? And that's just going to be great for it overall. Even though I don't personally agree with the controversy behind Ledger that was, recently talked about. From Moonshot Josh, happy birthday, Kaspa. 2 years ago today, on the exact day of Bitcoin's peak, Kaspa was born. Man, that is no coincidence. 11/07/2021. Kaspa download binaries here. Wow, that is insane. So around the same time of Bitcoin's peak, that's when Kas was born, man. Insane stuff. Wow. Happy birthday to Kas, man. What a birthday candle for Kas on Poloniex. This is from Muhovi. Shout out to you. And you can see right here on Poloniex, Kaspa is already sitting at 72 cent on Poloniex. That is crazy to see. And I'm telling you, you can see from the price action right here, it hasn't hit 7 cent yet on TradingView for me. I'm using the Mexi chart, right? This is the Mexi chart on TradingView that I'm using, but eventually it will. Look at this. This is just a huge bullish bull flag for Cas, man. Absolutely crazy. Ascander, next stop will be about 580 sats or 3x from here, and this is the Kaspa versus BTC chart. And what you got to look for in these projects now that we're going into the bull cycle is projects that are outperforming Bitcoin. Those are the ones that you want to get to. And look at Cas, its whole existence. It has been outperforming Bitcoin. You know, content creators would say alts are still bleeding against Bitcoin, etc. Bitcoin dominance going up, etc. Not here with Cas, man. This is a unique and special project, and I know people are starting to take notice as well. So like I said in the previous video, 2 to 3x from here puts us at around the 10 to 14 cent range for Cas, man. And I'm telling you, I've been saying 10 to 14 cent before the end of the year. You could go back on the channel and look at the previous videos. I got a whole Kaspa playlist so you guys can rewatch the previous videos, and you could clearly see it's happening right before our eyes, man. Look at the strength of Cas against Bitcoin, which is absolutely great to see. From Bubblegum Lightning, happy second birthday to Cas. Celebrate with Caspacho, another year breaking barriers and redefining proof of work with a unique coin base, fresh built-in Rustlang. Here's to more innovation and growth. Cas is the future of fast, secure, and decentralized crypto transactions. Kaspa is now 2 years old. Happy birthday, Cas. Happy birthday, Cas. How long will Kaspa exist for? The next 20, 30 years? I wouldn't rule it out. With technology like this, I don't think it's just going to be one of those projects that, you know, comes and goes, man. I really do believe it's going to be here for the long term. Even after this bull market, it's going to be here after the next bull market. That's when you start to see Kaspa get to the, you know, $20 to $30 levels, right? In the future, right? But for now, you know, 2 years old and has outperformed every other asset in the past. Since its existence, it has outperformed every other asset. From Crypto Phoenix, Caspia strong weekly body candle close above former resistance, breakout confirmed, bearish rising wedge invalidating. So it had a bearish rising wedge for Kaspa. As you guys can see, it was 3 touches at the wedge, but it just broke out. We can see the breakout right here. Look at that. I'm sure on this video, it more than likely will be hitting that 7 cents target for Kaspa, man. That is absolutely crazy and great to see, man. Every time I check Kaspa price, good price. Isn't it great when you're making gains in the space? Isn't it great when you're making gains? Oh, man. It's great when you're making gains, man. So, yeah. Kaspa, for making this bull flag, broke out at the rising wedge pattern. Normally rising wedges are bearish, so it's not forming that anymore, and it's breaking out here. Kaspa is just, you know, again, like I said time and time again, just a monster. From altcoin, Cas is the only crypto to solve the trilemma. At 100 BPS or over 10 minutes, Cas can do 60,000 more settlements than Bitcoin and 1,200 more settlements than ETH. Wow. So that's what so that's what 100 BPS will get you, right? And it's clearly faster than Visa, right? You guys know Visa. Everybody using Visa for their debit and credit cards. It's already faster than Visa and more secure and decentralized, not a centralized entity. You ain't got to wait, you know, over the weekend. You're trying to do a transaction. You ain't got to wait over the weekend until the bank opens on a Monday. And then you gotta wait for the teller and all of that stuff. Nope, not with Cas, man. Cut out that middleman. This is the future of money right here before our eyes, guys, and it's unveiling. And it's, you know, I'm even like, it feels surreal to me. I'll be honest with you, it feels surreal that this is happening, you know, and I'm able to cover it, man. You know, thank God. Isn't God good, man? All this while being fear launch, proof of work, 0 fee, and having smart contracts on the horizon. 100x by the end of the year. 100x by the end of the year. Oh, from this person's entry, altcoin has got into Cas around like 0. Where did they got into Cas a bit earlier. They got into Cas under a penny. So when it gets to their targets, I think it's 0, maybe 10 cent, 15 cent. I'm not sure. but that's gonna be 100x for them. But a lot of people got into Cas, you know, I think around the 1 cent, 2 cent range, you know, 3 cent range. Yeah, so a lot of people got into Cas around there. So Cas will need to get to $2 to $3 for the 100x. And like I said, I really do think that's gonna happen, right? $1 to $5, anywhere in that range, Kaspa, in my opinion, is gonna hit that, right? Again, anything beyond that, though, I'm not sure. You never know what could happen in the bull run. But $1 to $5 looks like great. Looks like it's an amazing time to start taking profits, right? Cas is absolutely gonna crush it. Caspians, thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Let's get the word out about Kaspa. If you love Cas like I do, spread the word. And also become a Patreon member to access to my private Telegram group, and also projects that I think are low cap that could give you you know, 10x, 5 to 10x in the short to mid term, you know, so you could keep stacking your conviction bags like Kaspa, right? Thank y'all so much for watching once again. I'll catch you in the next video.